Hello everybody and welcome back to update video number 4 of my Supermarine Spitfire Mk.Vb build. As we finish the fuselage and the wings, we start this episode with the assembling of the undercarriage. We form two axles out of 1mm thick wire, wrap the related skin very tightly around it and add the wheel covers. The next thing we're gonna tackle are the wheels. Okay guys, let me show you the assembling of a wheel. We formed a ring out of a strip and glued in a disc. Now we add a bearing made out of a strip. Done that, we add two sleeves, smaller one and a larger one. They work as spaces between the two discs. We mount the second disc and close the wheel. Now we add the two pre-assembled side surfaces of the tire. And we have a finished wheel. Now we can push it on the axle and secure it with this very tiny disc. And have a finished undercarriage. The biggest challenge of the tailwheel was to bend the wire of the axle into the right shape. We assembled the cooler, followed by the air filter and the oil cooler. Finished that, we prepare some buckled casings, the pitot tube and the exhaust pipes. Here you can see all these parts after I glued them into place. This will conclude update video number 4. What's left to do are the props and the canopy, which we will show in the update video number 5. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to like and subscribe. Happy modeling. Bye bye.